Hi, I'm Mitch Kaufman, National Sales Manager for Town Food Service here in Brooklyn, New York. Today, I would like to present to you the Town RiceMaster electric rice cookers. Our engineers have reinvented the entire on-off selection for the rice cookers. We have a two-touch pad in the front. You press on, you press cook, and the rice will automatically go to hold in about 30 to 46 minutes. This model over here is our cook and hold model with the same exact American technology, and this model is a cook and hold and will hold your rice for about 12 hours. And the reason being is there's heat on the bottom as well as heat under the hinged lid, and that helps the integrity of the grains of rice last that long. And just another detail our engineers were looking for to help you in your kitchen, underneath the hinge is a condensation cup. So it catches the condensated water once you lift the lid, so it doesn't spill out onto your food or your plates. It's always good practice to wash and rinse the rice 5 times before you start cooking to eliminate any starch or bubbling while the cooking process is going on. So basically you put the rice and the water into the pot, press on, press cook, and anywhere from 30 to 46 minutes, depending on the unit, it'll go to a hold mode. Now, once it goes to a hold mode, that doesn't mean the rice is ready. It's very al dente at that point. The rice needs from 10 to 15 minutes to cure. So once it goes to hold, you wait that 15 minutes and the rice will be perfect every time. Now, all of our rice cookers are quite appropriate for many different kinds of rice. You can use short grain, long grain, brown rice, Texmati, Basmati. Many of our customers use it for cooking quinoa or millet. And there are some that use it for tapioca pearls if they're making bubble tea. So these units are very appropriate for cooking all kinds of grain. Here's a little trick that our engineers have come up with. In case you need to steam in a pinch, you can use one of our Town steaming units. You have a little bit of water in the pot, and you can drop in one of these steaming units, and in a quick pinch, you can have dumplings, you can have vegetable steam, or anything else that you might need to steam in a pinch. Then you can remove the unit and you can go back to cooking rice. But the units are versatile and efficient for your kitchen. Here's a nice option, accessory that we offer at Town Food. Here's a rice napkin, and it's a perforated meshing that you can use to line the rice pot with before you add the rice and the water. And remember, it's always very critical to have the right proportion of water to the type of rice you're using. And you would cover it and you press cook, and once it goes to hold, you wait that 15 minutes, and then you have the ability to just lift out the rice napkin with the batch of rice, and you can transfer the cooked rice into a steam table or a warmer. Makes it a lot easier to deal with. That way you can start another batch once again. Now let's discuss the care and the maintenance of the units. 2 things that can arise that could either burn the rice or not cook the rice properly. Number 1, it's the rice pot itself. You have to inspect that. If it's dented in any way, whether it's on the side or the bottom, it won't sit correctly within the unit, and that can cause the rice to come out very compromised. So it's always good practice to make sure that the rice pot's not dented in any way. The second are the heater plates. This is a nice shiny heater plate, and hopefully you can maintain it to look like this, but sometimes it can look like that, and that can also make the rice compromised. So the best way to clean this off is to get some dry steel wool, no water, get it nice and shiny, as well as the sensor. It's very important because that's what's reading the rice pot. And once you get this to look like that, your unit will work trouble-free. Town offers a 2-year mail-in warranty, which is the longest in the industry. If you have any issues or concern about the units, visit our website. And note that all the units are certified and listed for usage in the United States and Canada. Thank you for watching.